My name is Emmanuel Tibor, trainer Oppo Kenya. Welcome to this unboxing courtesy of PhonePlace. PhonePlace is an online electronics store located at Moi Bazaar or along Moi Avenue. So today we are going to unbox our latest products in the market. So I'll start with the first one, which is our latest product, Oppo Reno 5. It was launched recently. It's available right now in the market. So I'll just dive in directly. I'll just unbox. So you can see the box looks so nice, high quality. So let's just check it. So here is the box. You can get your cover and the pin to eject your SIM card, and also to fill your warranty. So here is the phone. A premium design. It has a very nice design. Yes, so from the first look you will get it that it's a very lightweight phone. At the same time, it's very slim. Very slim. This is the variant I have here is the black one, but also I have the silver one. So it comes with the two colors. So I'll just dive in directly. Inside the box, we have the cable, Type C, and then the fast charger, the flash charger, sorry, SuperVOOC. It comes with a 65 watts charger, but the phone is a flash charge. It can charge up to 50 watts. Also, you can get your earphones inside the box. Very nice earphones, high quality. So I really like the colors, but personally I like the fantasy silver color. Yes, so I will just talk about something I like about Reno 5. The first thing you like about this phone when you hold it is the lightweight and the slimness. You get 7.8 millimeters in terms of thickness, and then it has a premium look compared with other brands in the market. It is very unique. It has a very unique color that it can change. You can see up to 1 million colors from different angles. And then also the front panel, you can see it's 6.4 inches screen, very comfortable, enough size that you can use it. So, and then also it uses Super AMOLED screen with FHD plus resolution, that is 2400 by 1080, and then also you can get 409 ppi, that is pixels per inch, or then you can say pixel density. Yes, so after you booting up, you can see just a very the normal. It uses ColorOS 11. That is Oppo ColorOS Android based on Android 11. So you can see. So I'll talk about some few things also. When it comes to, you can see the front panel, the icons. So one thing you'll notice about this phone is very fast. It boots very fast at the same time. Also, I'll talk about the camera. So one thing that Oppo promised is the camera. So it comes with 5 cameras. That is the first one in front, that is 44 megapixel, that's the selfie camera, and then at the back you have 64 megapixels, 8 megapixel for wide angle, 2 megapixels for portrait lens, and 2 megapixels for macro lens. So the front is 40, you can see, very, so you can see. The back also is very nice. You can get these awesome features that comes with the latest ColorOS. You can see you can have, I'll just talk about some few things like the AI color portrait, which was in Reno 4, is still retained in Reno 5. And then they have also added a neon portrait. So one of the notable features that comes with this Reno 5 is the additional features from the previous Reno 4, is the dual video. You can use this dual video to take using the both cameras, that's the front and the rear camera. Also, you can change the settings to suit your needs. For example, you can just have the normal dual like that, or you can just use the rounded one like that, just the way you can move it around. Also, you can switch the cameras, or you can just choose like the one that you use in video chats, this one also. So very nice. You can really enjoy, especially if you're a vlogger. You can use it to take your videos and share your content. Another feature that comes with this, a very unique feature that comes with Reno 5, is something called AI mixed portrait. AI mixed portrait. This means that you can have you can mix two people in one photo, or see different scenes. For example, let me just demonstrate here. So, for example, you want so the first thing you do, you record a video, and then you select a video that you want to mix with it. Yes, so with that AI, you can have, like, you can mix, maybe you can take a scene and then you can add a different, maybe a subject or a person, and then you can blend them. Also, you can use the macro lens. Macro lens, you can use it when you want to, maybe you want to check a small object, maybe that you cannot see with your naked eye. You can use the macro lens. Also, in terms of video, there is something called AI highlight video that makes the video to be very clear, especially when you're shooting in dim environments. It makes the video very clear. So also, Reno 5 comes with an in-display fingerprint. You can use your fingers. It's an optical fingerprint. It's very fast. You can use it also to secure maybe your apps or any other thing that you want to make it private. And then under the hood, that's the in terms of performance, it comes with a 4310 mAh, or you can just say 4300 mAh. That's typical. Coupled with flash charge, 50 watts. You can get, with 5 minutes, you can get 3-hour video playback. Very, very nice. Also, it means that when you charge for 5 minutes, you get up to 20%. You get a full charge within in approximately 48 minutes. So you can see how fast it is. And then also, in terms of the processor, it uses the processor Snapdragon 720G. It's an octa-core processor that it has a clocking speed of up to 2.1 gigahertz, very fast. You can play your games without freezing. Also, it comes with 8 GB RAM, that is, and then also 128 internal storage, that is, you can still expand up to 256. And then also, in terms of system, it comes with a system optimization that always optimize your system, well, especially when you're playing your games. or just overall when you're playing, it means that it's very smooth while playing your games. Okay, I'll talk about very important ColorOS. This Oppo Reno 5 comes with the latest ColorOS, ColorOS 11, based on Android 11. It has some unique features that you will not get it anywhere, only in Oppo. So I'll start with the first one. It comes with something called always on display. That means that when your phone or your screen is off, you can always check your time without pressing any button. And also you can customize, you can add time. Also you can add a photo like that one. You can add a photo. Also, this ColorOS 11 comes with another unique feature called System Cloner. System Cloner, what it does basically, you have two systems in one phone. For example, you have in your computer, you have one account for your work and another account for your home. So with this one, you can use your two fingerprints. For example, mine, when I use the right fingerprint, I can access my normal system, that is with all my apps. And then when I use my finger or the left thumb, I can access another system that you can add your apps again. You can add another Gmail. Also, you can add WhatsApp or all your work apps again differently. So this one, you can use it, especially maybe you can have one phone for the whole family, maybe one for when you're at home and the other one while at work. And then another feature, another unique feature that comes with this latest ColorOS is you can get it under settings. You go to personalization. You can see you get all the app or the apps or the system settings that you can customize. For example, you can change your theme from here. You can change your wallpaper. You can change your always on display. You can change your icon style. We have the default icons, and then we have the material style, and then we have another one. You can even customize. For example, you can even add your own icon packs, something that we didn't have before. Something to note is that this ColorOS 11 has been voted to be the best Android skin according to the latest reports, because you can customize, you can change everything. You can change the size of the icon, you can change the size of the name of the icon. So I'll just use mine to demonstrate. So you can see, as you can see, you can change the icons the way you want. You have something called lighting on the screen when you have notification. It lights when you have notifications. Also, you can change the type of the fingerprint style that you want. You can change the icon style from there. You can change your app layout. You want 4 apps in every row, you can change that. Also, the fingerprint styles, you have different styles. You can see that, you have that one, all that. Also, you can change the color scheme of your phone. You want the red, you want the yellow, you want all your favorite colors are here. So very unique. Also, with that one, also you can change the font size and also the font type that you want. We have a lot of them from there, from the theme store. You can get all these fonts that you want. And then notification drawer, something that I know most of you maybe you have not seen, is that you can change the size or the type of how you want it to look. That is the notification, this one. You can change, do you want it rounded, do you want it rectangle, or do you want it something like that? All that, you can change it from personalization. So this ColorOS 11 is one of the best. I like it personally. I've been using it for some time. I like it so much. And then also the lighting, you can change the lighting. This lighting is for notification. When you receive any notification, you will get a lighting around the screen. You can change the styles. You can change. You can add this one. you can have that one. You can have that one also. Very unique, something that this ColorOS 11 brings. Also, it comes with the other features that are always been there. For example, the game space. The game space is whereby you can have all your games. You can, when you're playing your games, you get that performance optimization, so that the game doesn't lag. So it comes with, it gives you all the details. For example, it tells you can get the CPU performance directly from the game store. You get there's different modes. You can have the low mode, low performance mode, high performance mode, all that. So this Reno 5 retails at 41,999. You can come to Phone Place. You can get it at any time, or it can be delivered online. So apart from having Reno 5, we also have Reno 5F. Reno 5F is just if you cannot buy Reno 5, you can still, and you want to enjoy the features, you can buy Reno 5F.